American Vision Garages. The possibilities are endless.
If you haven't looked at garage doors lately, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. Clopay has transformed them from functional to fashionable. Wondering what a new Clopay door could do for your home? Try one with our new web-based door imagination system. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Upload a photo of your home. Select a door style. Choose options like windows, decorative hardware, and paint color. See how it looks. Not sure if this door is a perfect fit? Try another. The Clopay Door Imagination System now available at www.clopaydoor.com. Don't just fill in the blank. Make a design statement with a Clopay door. We invite you to explore new designs and eco-friendly materials to enhance your home's exterior.
American Vision Garages. The possibilities are endless.